In this video, we listed the 5 best walkers for seniors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Journey UPWalker Standard. The LifeWalker UPWalker is a reliable and innovative stand-up walker designed to promote better posture and increased mobility for users. Weighing 23.5 pounds and featuring dimensions of 33.5 inch dx 23.5 wx 43 h, this walker supports users up to 300 pounds, offering a lightweight yet sturdy frame that requires no assembly and can easily be folded for storage or travel. Its ergonomic design helps users stand upright, reducing joint pressure and pain while allowing for comfortable walking, with 8-inch wheels that provide a smooth ride both indoors and outdoors. The UPWalker caters to users ranging from 4 feet 7 inches to 5 feet 10 inches with adjustable padded armrests, a detachable backrest, and a wide seat for comfort. With its ISO safety certification and FDA registration, the UPWalker prioritizes safety and quality, making it a trusted companion for regaining independence and enhancing daily mobility. Number 2. Rollator Walker. The Henley Rollator Walker is a lightweight and sturdy mobility aid designed for seniors, featuring a robust aluminum frame weighing just 16.5 pounds and suitable for users ranging from 5 to 6.5 feet tall with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. With its advanced 10-inch all-terrain wheels, the walker offers enhanced shock absorption for a smooth and stable walking experience, which is especially beneficial for users concerned about comfort and joint health. Its compact folding design facilitates easy transport and storage, complete with a multifunctional bag that serves as a travel case. The walker also prioritizes safety with a wider base to prevent tip-overs, a spacious seat measuring 19 by 10 inches, and sensitive dual brakes that allow for gradual speed control on downhill slopes. The anti-skid tire pattern further enhances grip, ensuring confidence and stability while on the move. Number 3. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. The Medline Burgundy Steel Rollator Walker is a versatile mobility aid designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a padded seat that allows users to rest comfortably. With dimensions of 23-inch dx 21 wx 31 h and weighing only 19 pounds, this rollator is easy to fold for convenient transport and storage. It is equipped with smooth rolling 6-inch wheels and offers a handy storage bag located under the seat for personal belongings. The height-adjustable arms provide customizable comfort, accommodating users with handle grips that can be adjusted from 31-inch to 35. Additionally, the rollator boasts a tool-free assembly process and is robust enough to support users weighing up to 350 pounds, making it a practical choice for those seeking independence and mobility assistance. Number 4. Drive Medical 10257BL. The Drive Medical Rolling Walker with Seat is a stylish and practical mobility aid designed for seniors and adults seeking stability in a compact design. Constructed from durable steel, this walker weighs 18.6 pounds and features a supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an underseat storage pouch for convenience. Equipped with 7.5-inch caster wheels, it offers a smooth roll, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, while a handbrake allows users to lock the walker in place for added safety. The height of the handles can be easily adjusted from 31 to 35 inches using an easy-turn lever, and it includes a removable hinged backrest that can be folded up or down. The walker's side-to-side folding design allows for effortless one-handed folding and maintains a standing position when stored, enhancing portability and ease of use. Additionally, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring buyers can purchase with confidence. Number 5. TULUR All-Terrain Rollator Walker. The TULUR Rollator Walker is a robust and versatile mobility aid designed specifically for seniors, featuring an eye-catching red aluminum frame. With durable all-terrain wheels, 12-inch front and 10-inch rear, this walker excels in navigating a range of surfaces, from grass and rough terrain to snow, providing enhanced stability and mobility both indoors and outdoors. Safety is prioritized with a customized LED guiding light that offers 6 brightness modes, ensuring increased visibility and security for nighttime use. Their compact and foldable design, featuring adjustable ergonomic handles ranging from 38-inch to 43, allows for easy transport and storage, folding down to dimensions of 31.10 inches by 37.00 inches by 9.85 inches. Its sturdy construction supports users weighing up to 300 pounds, while a dual braking system enhances control and locking mechanisms for stability when at rest. However, it's important to note that this rollator is not intended for use as a wheelchair or transport device. It is designed for short sitting rests only, with an emphasis on safety precautions.